Lucy.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
The last weekend we went to Washington D.C. to see cherry blossom.
It was so cool and beautiful.
So today we are learning to draw a cherry blossom.
Let's begin, guys.
Today we are preparing pencil
And eraser.
and a small marker. Right? It's a little bit different kind.
It's kind of like a pen.
Let's see, like this kind. Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, let's start. The first one, draw a few lines of the trunk of on the paper. Okay, right here. And you don't have to connect too much, just a little bit like an arc shape, but you don't have to do the too perfect because the tree, the shape, like this, right? We're gonna draw some flower here, so that's why we don't have to connect too much. And then we draw a little line like here and here. And there's another one like here. Okay. Okay, good. Now let's draw the flower part first, and then draw the tree trunk behind. Okay. The first one, we draw the five half circle under the paper, like here. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then each one we draw a little V, like here. Okay, tiny V. You see it? Then you use the eraser to clean this part. Clean up.
It looks like a heart.
Yeah, and then just like that, right? And then draw a little circle in the middle. Yeah. Like this kind of shape, you could actually many different way to draw, right? Like my way, I draw a circle and then here put a little V and then clean up the part. And also you could like draw a little heart shape, right?
Yeah, like I did.
Okay, and now we draw the line out like here, each one. Yep, and then on the top we put a little circle. Okay, and then we draw another flower. I'm probably draw this way. Okay, I'm gonna clean up here a little bit so have a space to draw another flower. Okay, so the same thing, we'll draw like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then draw a little V on the top on each one, and I try to clean up the top. Okay, just like that. And then I put a little circle in the middle. Each one put the lines on and then put a little tiny circle. So I'm gonna draw another one behind. Okay, 1, 2. Some cover it, it's fine. Okay, this. So the same, put the V's on the top and put a circle in the middle. Okay. Now I draw another one on this side. And this one face to the sky. So see the side. So it's a little different. Okay. So I'm gonna draw this part first, like oval shape, and here I'm gonna draw the V here. Okay. A little V here. You draw another way, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then this flowers face to sky, so I'm gonna draw like this. Okay, so a little different, right? Then the middle circle, so only see the part of it, so gonna draw like a half circle, right? Here, the lines. Okay, so this one like that. Now we draw some flower buds, okay, on the side. So flower buds are simple. The first draw the receptacle here, okay, the receptacle like this.
So small.
Yeah, and then put a little circle, right, at a half circle. And now I'm gonna draw another one here. And draw more here. Another one. So the top I'm gonna draw the very tiny one. Okay. Yep. And now other side's a little empty, right? So I'm gonna add more the big flower, the cherry blossom here. So the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Half circle and put the little V's in the middle. And then I try to clean up. Middle, that circle. Okay. So another one, the smaller a little bit behind this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the same. Gonna clean up a little bit. And then here, I add another one, and another big one. So I'm gonna clean this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I add more flower buds. And here, add one, and here I'm add another one. Here and another one. Okay, and then here. Oh, that one's big. get some detail, right? Okay, now we draw the trunk. Okay, the button of the trunk is bigger, right? So we could connect this part, right? And here connect the flower. The trunk gets thinner as it goes up, right? So this is small. So we could add another line, so it looks more real. And this one the same, so we could add like this, okay? Nice. And then now this part. This part, we finish this part, okay? Okay, something like that. Remember, this middle part is a connect, right? Connect another part, yeah. So today we do a different way. We gonna coloring first, and the last part we add a marker, right? Because we use the marker. This one's marker. So we gonna coloring first because the most color is pretty light.
Yeah.
Yeah, as a light pink. Okay. Okay, let's begin. So the last part, we add the marker, right? Okay.
Guys, I've never drawn this good before.
Yeah, so this time we do a different way, right? We use that very tiny kind of marker, so it looks more real.
But if you guys want, you can also use the fat marker. But we just picked it to make it look more realistic and stuff.
Thanks, guys, for watching.
Subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below what we should draw next. Bye, guys. See you next time. Give it a thumbs up.
See ya.